What if you could carry a giant cinema screen in your pocket? Today on Karen Guy, we're reviewing the Rokid Max Smart AR 3D glasses. Lightweight, powerful, and designed to turn your phone, PC, or console into a massive virtual display. Let's find out if these glasses really live up to the hype. Right out of the box, the Rokid Max feels premium, yet surprisingly light. At only 75 grams, these glasses are comfortable enough for long movie sessions, gaming, or even working on a virtual screen. The frame is well balanced, and the included interchangeable nose pads, blackout lenses, and carrying case make it easy to customize your fit and block out distractions. There's also diopter adjustment from 0 to 600 degrees, which is a big win for users who wear glasses. This is where the Rokid Max really shines. It uses Sony Micro OLED displays, delivering a binocular resolution of 3840 by 1080 pixels with a 108% sRGB color gamut and a stunning 100,000:1 contrast ratio. The experience feels like watching a 215-inch screen from about 6 meters away, or even a 360-inch virtual screen at 10 meters. With a 50-degree field of view, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 600 nits of brightness, everything looks sharp, smooth, and vibrant, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working. The glasses support both 2D and 3D content, making them perfect for immersive entertainment. Audio is handled by dual near-ear directional speakers, enhanced with bass and virtual sound rendering. You also get dual noise-canceling microphones, making voice commands and calls clear and reliable. Built-in buttons allow you to control volume, brightness, and switch between 2D and 3D modes easily. The glasses also support AI voice control, adding hands-free convenience. The Rokid Max features 3 degrees of freedom head tracking, powered by an advanced 9-axis sensor system. This means smoother motion tracking and a more stable virtual screen, especially when watching movies or using productivity apps. One of the biggest strengths of the Rokid Max is its flexibility. You can connect it directly to Android phones with USB-C DisplayPort, iPads, MacBooks, Windows PCs, and the Rokid Station. With third-party adapters, it also works with iPhones, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and other HDMI devices, turning almost anything into a portable big-screen setup. Inside the package, you get Rokid Max smart glasses, Type-C cable, carrying case, blackout lenses, glasses cloth, spare nose piece, instruction manual. Everything you need to get started is included. The Rokid Max Smart 3D glasses are an impressive piece of wearable tech. They deliver a massive virtual screen, excellent display quality, strong audio, and wide compatibility, all in a lightweight and portable design. If you're into movies, gaming, remote work, or immersive entertainment on the go, this could be one of the best smart display glasses available right now. Thanks for watching Karen Guy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments, would you use smart glasses like the Rokid Max for gaming, movies, or work? See you in the next video.